Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm good. And you? I'm fine. Thank you. What's your name? My name is Ramu. What's your name? My name is Sita. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Sita, where are you from? I'm from Bangalore. What about you? I'm from Chennai. Okay. How old are you? I am 20 years old. And you? I am 24 years old. What do you do? I am a student. What about you? I work at the hospital. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have an older sister. What about you? I have two brothers. Great. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling. What is your favorite food? I love chicken. What's yours? I really like pasta. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. Do you? No, I don't have any pets. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to read books and watch movies. What kind of music do you like? I enjoy classical music. Can you speak any other languages? Yes, I can speak Japanese and English. What about you? I can speak French and a little bit of Spanish. What is your favorite season? I like summer. What about you? I prefer spring. Do you like sports? Yes, I like playing tennis. Do you play any games? Yes, I play soccer. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Inspection. Do you like to cook? Yes, I like to cook Italian food. Do you have any hobbies? I enjoy playing guitar and cycling. Do you like to play video games? Yes, I do. What is your dream job? I want to be a scientist. And you? I want to be a pilot. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. Do you like reading newspapers? Sometimes I read the news online. Have you ever been to another country? Yes, I have visited Italy and Spain. Have you traveled abroad? Yes, I have been to the United States and Canada. What do you usually do on weekends? I like to relax at home or visit friends. Do you like shopping? Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes. Are you a morning person or a night person? I am a morning person. What is your favorite holiday? I love New Year's Day. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.